How to do days of week timeline animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Bring a background, connect it to Media Out, and change its color to white. Bring a rectangle mask and connect it to the background. Set width to 0.8 and height to 0.003 and drag it a little bit downward. Bring a Text Plus node and connect it to Output of Background to merge it. Select the text node and in the inspector, paste the name of the days, and after each one press the spacebar 5 times. Now change the font family and other text style to your liking. Drag the text to the right until the first day is in the center of frame. Bring a rectangle mask and connect it to the text to mask it. Adjust the size of the mask until only one day is visible on the screen, also increase soft edge a little bit. Move playhead to the start, and in the Layout tab click on the diamond button next to Center Property to add a starting keyframe. Move playhead to frame 60 and drag the text until the last day is visible on the screen to add the second keyframe. To add motion blur to animation, click on Settings tab and check the Motion Blur checkbox. To smoothen the animation, open up the Spline panel and check the Text checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to keyframes. If you want more curves, hold down the Alt key and drag these handles to increase the curve in a straight line. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.